India will clash with Zimbabwe in the second T20I of the five-match series on the 7th of July, Sunday, in Harare. India are the T20 World Cup winners and the number one ranked ICC team in the format. A number of senior Indian players have been rested for this series, which provides an opportunity for the younger Indian crop to make a mark on the world stage. जिम्बाब्वे की आईसीसी रैंकिंग 12 है और उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होगा टू विन इवन वन मैच अगेंस्ट द टैलेंटेड इंडियन आउटफिट. The Harare Sports Club has hosted 41 T20I matches, out of which the team batting first has won 23. However, जिस कैप्टन ने टॉस जीता है उन्होंने फिर भी चेजिंग प्रेफर किया है in 23 matches. The probability of winning the match after winning the toss is 53.7%. The average first inning score is 156 for 7, while the average score batting second is 139 for 6. The highest team score at the venue is Australia's 229 for 2 against Zimbabwe in 2018, whereas the lowest total is Zimbabwe's 19 against Afghanistan in 2022. The wicket has traditionally suited the pace bowlers in Harare, who have accounted for nearly 63% of the wickets at the venue, at an average of 24.7, strike rate of 19.1 and economy of 7.7. However, यहाँ पे spinners को भी purchase मिली है और उनका average हरारे में 25.6 का है, with an economy rate of 7.1. A bright and sunny day with a maximum temperature of 26 degrees Celsius is expected in Harare on Saturday. India's team comprises of high-class batters who could slot in the 11 of any international team, such as the quality of India's bench strength. शुभमन गिल भारत की कैप्टनसी करेंगे. जिम्बाब्वे की बॉलिंग तो अच्छी है, बट बैटिंग में शायद उनको प्रॉब्लम आए. सिकंदर रजा इज देयर कैप्टन. India and Zimbabwe have played each other in 8 T20Is, with India winning 6 matches. Ravi Bishnoi may be a handful for the Zimbabwe batters, especially if the wicket in Harare takes a bit of a turn. Bishnoi is a wicket taker in the format और उन्होंने भारत के लिए 36 wicket लिए हैं in only 24 matches. Riyan Parag was in red-hot form in IPL 2024 and will look to cement his place in the middle order for India in T20I cricket. Parag is a destructive stroke maker who is capable of clearing any boundary at will against the best of opposition attacks. Sikandar Raza is a veteran in Zimbabwe cricket and one of the most talented all-rounders in the format. He has played 86 T20I matches and has a strike rate of close to 135 in the format. Raza की होंगे Zimbabwe की बैटिंग के लिए. Luke Jongwei is a bowling all-rounder whose propensity to pick wickets stands out in T20I cricket. Jongwei has a bowling strike rate of 14.9 in the format. Rinku Singh is the hot pick for India. Rinku ने भारत के लिए शानदार प्रदर्शन किया है in T20I cricket and he is a destructive finisher in the death overs. Washington Sundar is the avoid pick for India. Sundar played just a couple of matches in IPL 2024 and has not done justice to his batting prowess in T20I cricket. Blessing Muzarabani is a right-arm fast bowler who has bagged 60 wickets in 50 T20Is at a strike rate of 18.3. Doyen Myers के T20I numbers कुछ ज़्यादा impressive नहीं हैं and he is the avoid pick for Zimbabwe. India will start favourites in the second T20I against Zimbabwe in Harare on Sunday. India की बैटिंग बहुत पावरफुल है और बॉलिंग में भी उनके पास वैरायटी है. Rinku Singh and Ravi Bishnoi will be the two Indian players to watch out for in the match. Zimbabwe will be over-dependent on Sikandar Raza and their fast bowlers. Based on the relative strength of both the teams, India have an 80% chance of winning the encounter. Rinku Singh will be a good choice for captain, while Sikandar Raza will be a fine option for vice-captain. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11 for the India versus Zimbabwe match. We have 8 players from India and 3 from Zimbabwe. Our batters include Gill, Gaikwad and Rinku Singh, while our bowlers are Chatara, Jongwei, Bishnoi and Khalil Ahmed. All-rounders में we have Raza and Abhishek Sharma. Our backup players include Wesley Madhavere as batter, Avesh Khan as bowler and Sundar as an all-rounder.